Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes. Sleeping Bunnies.
See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill?
Wake up, little bunnies.
Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop.
A tisket, a tasket.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my friend, and on the way he dropped it. He dropped it, he dropped it, and on the way he dropped it. Little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Dropped it, a little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my friends, and on the way he dropped it. He dropped it, he dropped it, and on the way he dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Happy Easter. Hot cross buns.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Thank you.
Patty cake, baker's man.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Prick it and pat it and mark it with M, and put it in the oven for baby and me.
cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Mix it and stir it and bake it just right. Good from the first to the very last bite. Write his name with lots of care and top with candies here and there. Patter king, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Prick it and price it and mark it with M. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Simple Simon.
Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Says the pieman to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, indeed I have not any. La 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 la. Simple Simon went a fishing for to catch a whale. All the water he had got was in his mother's pail. La 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 la. Simple Simon went to look if plums grew on a thistle. He pricked his fingers very much, which made poor Simon whistle.
The Gingerbread Man.
Oh, do you know the gingerbread man, the gingerbread man, the gingerbread man? Oh, do you know the gingerbread man who ran and ran and ran?
He said, catch me if you can, if you can, if you can. He said, catch me if you can, then ran and ran and ran.
Ho, ho, ho!
I am the baker man.
I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake biscuits. Crunchy, 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 crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunchy, 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 crunch, crunchy, crunchy, crunch. I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake cakes. Yummy, 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 yum, yummy, yum, yummy, yum, yummy, 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 yum, yummy, yummy, yum. I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake cookies. Chewy, 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 chew, chewy, chew, chewy, chew, chewy, 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 chew, chewy, chewy, chew.
kettle on.
Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. Suki, take it up again. Suki, take it up again. Suki, take it up again. They've all gone away. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. Suki, take it up again. Suki, take it up again. Suki, take it up again. They've all gone away. Let's have some tea. Let's have some tea.
Come on, let's have some tea. Let's have some cookies. Vegetable song. Hi, Pumpkin! You've grown to such a big size!
We are pumpkins, big and round, big and round, big and round. We are pumpkins, big and round, seated on the ground.
Hey, String Bean, you're so long and green!
We are string beans, green and long, green and long, green and long. We are string beans, green and long, growing on a vine.
Hi, kid. Why tears in your eyes?
You're causing burning sensation in my eyes.
But I also add taste to your food. We are onions, round and white, round and white, round and white. We are onions, round and white. We make soup taste right.
Hi, I'm Carrot, long and strong. Loosen the soil to pull me out.
Carrot, you're taller than me!
We are carrots, orange and long, orange and long, orange and long. We are carrots, orange and long. Help us sing the song. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Hi, kid.
Who are you?
We are cabbage, green or red, green or red, green or red. We are cabbage, green or red. See our funny head.
Hi, kid.
Who are you?
I am corn, sweet and delicious. We are corn stalks, tall and straight, tall and straight, tall and straight. We are corn stalks, tall and straight. Don't we just taste great? Aren't we great in taste?
Yummy!
Did you enjoy singing with us? For more nursery rhymes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.